What's up, peeps? Welcome back. So, I know it's a little soon for another video, but y'all, I did not like the way that shirt looked yesterday. And like I said, it was a 50-50 blend. So, I went to my neighborhood Dollar General and purchased some of the $1 100% polyester dishcloths just to test to see if maybe my settings are off or if it's really just I need to have more polyester in my garments, my shirts or whatever to make the ink, pop, and that makes it more vibrant. So I'm gonna try this little design right here out. This is a real quick, simple video just to kind of show y'all the difference, and hopefully we'll be able to see a difference. So I have my image already in my Cameo Silhouette software. Um, the washcloth is like 11 by 11, so I measured it. So I'm gonna make my image so that it's like right in the middle of the washcloth, and I'm going to size it. It looks like I like it at about 9 by 9. That way it's like right in the center and it's not too large for the washcloth, for the dishcloth or whatever. So let me just make sure. Make it a little smaller. Okay. So that's good. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. Now you guys hear that slurping noise in the background, that's just grandpa drinking water, being loud. So let me go ahead up here and just make sure that my print preferences are good. So let me see. So it looks like everything is pretty much the same. I wanted to print portrait and not landscape. Okay, everything is pretty much the same as it was yesterday, and I'm using 11 by 17 inches, and I'm just gonna cut it. I'm just gonna cut the extra off and save it for another washcloth or whatever. So I'm gonna hit OK to that. Okay, so now we're ready to print. Excuse the mess. Let me turn y'all around. Here's my printer. It should be ready to go. Everything's at an angle because my little space is a hot ass mess. Oh, goodness. Okay, so let me go ahead and hit print. Get that ready to come out. It's loading right now into my software. Sorry, y'all. I know it's taking a little minute, but bear with me. I'm just recording this video on like a whim today because I really was real curious to see how the ink looked on 100% polyester material. So my printer got tired of waiting too, so hold on. Okay, here it goes. Y'all just fast forward through this, so y'all have to sit and watch the whole thing. But there it comes. Now I am gonna keep my heat press. I'm gonna get it up to 400 again. A little nervous, but I'm just gonna follow the regular instructions and do it like that. Now what I am kind of confused on, y'all, is do I press it for 60 seconds or do I press it for 45 seconds? Am I basing the time off of the inks directions or off of the sublimation paper directions. So please let me know down below in the comment section how long you guys press your items for, if you base it off of the ink brand that you have, or if you know, base it off of the type of sublimation paper that you are using. Please let me know, because I'm super confused with that one. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super confused, and I want to make sure I get the most out of the ink, the paper. I don't want to be wasteful. If I can, you know, get a better quality product by pressing it longer. What the hell? My printer is completely tripping. Why? Can y'all see this? Look at that. What? It must have pulled up 3 pieces of my paper. Lord, fix it. Okay, y'all, so this video might be cut short. I might have to post another one once I reprint. Because that's really strange that it pulled like that. Maybe I need to just use one sheet of paper at a time. And yeah. Well, just for the video's sake, I might go ahead and just press what I have. That way it won't be a video, you know, totally wasted. I do apologize for that. I did not know that was going to do that. But so far, the image looks good. So, yeah. I don't know what happened there. So we're going to just let this finish printing. I'm going to just, you know, they're only $1. So I'm going to go ahead and just, like I said, it's a test. I'm just going to test, and we'll do it like that. And then next time, I'll make sure I only got one sheet of paper, because my printer is acting janky. So yeah, I don't know why I did that. Also, to be completely honest with you guys, this color look it looks a little off. Y'all see that? It don't look as gold as it did in my software. So maybe I need to adjust my settings, y'all. Look. We just testing. We are just testing. Trial and error. Trial and error. Okay. So what I'm doing right now, you guys can't see me, but I'm just trimming off the extra white part. I don't want to be wasting my paper any more than what I already have. So I'm just going to trim that piece out of the way. I can use this little extra piece on the bottom for another, you know, dish towel or whatever. Excuse me. Alright. So what I'm going to do now, make sure my heat press is at the right temperature. I do not like this color. Look at that. It looks like a peach. Y'all see that? I don't like that. It says came through dripping. Okay, because them Chiefs. Them Chiefs. Okay. Alright. But y'all see this got printed on the other page. But that's whatever. Whatever. So yes, guys. Bear with me. Please. My heat press is still kind of heating up. Let me see. I'm sorry, y'all just looking at my printer. Jeez. Sorry, y'all. Let me turn y'all around. My heat press is only at 230. So, please fast forward through this. I'm so sorry, y'all. I keep telling y'all, the ones that have been with me from day one, I appreciate y'all. But if you know me, It's an organized mess. Organized mess, and I do mean well. And one day I am going to get it together. I cannot make no promises, but I tell y'all, one day I will get it together. What I'm going to do while it's, warming up, I have my butcher paper. This is the sheet that I used yesterday for the ladies. I'm just going to use that again. I'm going to double it up a little bit so I can press whatever moisture is in the dishcloth. If any, it should be, might be some in there. Excuse me. It's a whole mess. Let me just press this, get a little bit of the moisture out. While we're waiting, it's pretty hot, so it should be able to get it out of there without it being at 400. Ooh. Okay, so I did that. It's a little pre-press, which is cool. My little polyester. So, bear with me, please, y'all. I do apologize for this. But it's getting up there. Like I said, I trimmed my image just to make it a little easier. I do have a little Teflon pillow underneath. I got these from Amazon. I got 3 different sizes, like a large, a medium, and like a little small one. So I just have that underneath to protect. I have 2 pieces of the butcher paper. I'm going to use the one I just folded in half on top of the image. Sorry, this is taking forever.